Are you ready to master one of the most essential tools in technical analysis? In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the world of SMA, the simple moving average. From understanding its core concepts to practical applications in trading, we'll explore everything you need to know to use SMA like a pro. Let's get started and unlock the power of SMA. What is SMA? Simple moving average, SMA, is one of the foundational tools in technical analysis. It calculates the average price of an asset over a specified period, providing traders with a clearer view of price trends by smoothing out short-term fluctuations. Unlike the exponential moving average, EMA, SMA gives equal weight to all data points, making it ideal for analyzing longer-term trends. How is SMA calculated? The formula for SMA is straightforward. SMA equals sum of prices over a period. Number of periods. For instance, a 10-day SMA averages the closing prices of the last 10 days, moving forward daily as new data is added. Understanding this calculation is essential for interpreting SMA lines on charts effectively. SMA versus EMA. What's the difference? While both SMA and EMA help identify trends, their differences lie in how they react to price data. SMA is slower to respond, as it treats all prices equally, making it better for stable trend analysis. EMA, on the other hand, reacts faster to recent price changes, which suits traders looking for timely signals in volatile markets. The role of SMA in trend analysis. SMA serves as a visual guide for identifying market trends. Uptrend. Prices above the SMA indicate bullish momentum. Downtrend. Prices below the SMA suggest bearish momentum. Sideways market. Prices hovering around the SMA show consolidation or indecision. This simplicity makes SMA a go-to tool for traders and investors alike. Common SMA timeframes. The choice of SMA period varies based on trading style. Short-term trading. 10-day or 20-day SMA for identifying immediate trends. Medium-term trading. 50-day SMA to capture intermediate trends. Long-term trading. 100-day or 200-day SMA for analyzing macro trends. Combining multiple SMAs, such as the 50-day and 200-day, helps traders detect crossovers and refine their strategies. Golden cross and death cross. SMA crossovers are vital signals in technical analysis. Golden cross. The 50-day SMA crosses above the 200-day SMA, signaling a bullish trend. Death cross. The 50-day SMA crosses below the 200-day SMA, indicating bearish momentum. These signals are widely used by traders and institutions for confirming major market movements. SMA in different asset classes. SMA adapts seamlessly across markets. Stocks. Tracks price trends and potential reversals in equities. Forex. Helps identify currency pair momentum. Crypto. Filters out noise in highly volatile markets like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Its versatility makes it a universal tool for technical analysis. Enhancing strategies with SMA. SMA works best when combined with other indicators. RSI, Relative Strength Index. Confirm overbought or oversold conditions. MACD, Moving Average Convergence Divergence. Strengthen trend-following strategies. Bollinger Bands. Measure volatility alongside SMA-based trends. These combinations provide a holistic view of market conditions. Practical example. Imagine a stock chart with a 50-day SMA plotted. If the price breaks above this line, it suggests a potential uptrend. Conversely, a price drop below the 50-day SMA may signal bearish momentum. Combining this analysis with volume data strengthens the reliability of the signals. Building a trading strategy with SMA. Developing a robust strategy involves identifying trends. Use SMA to confirm market direction. Setting entry and exit points. Utilize SMA crossovers or price interactions with SMA lines. Risk management. Incorporate stop loss and take profit levels based on SMA signals. This structured approach ensures consistent decision-making. We hope this video has given you the clarity and confidence to incorporate SMA into your trading strategies. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest insights. Thanks for watching and happy trading.